Everybody, happy Friday!
Woo!
It's Friday. Whoop whoop! Welcome to this week's episode of
AtB!
So, we're not talking anything about swag this week.
No.
We're talking about how freaked out I got when something occurred at the studio.
Yeah, you know, one thing that Cola just hates most in this world, birds.
I hate them. We're going to tell you more about that. Of course, we have to get our drink, though. Priorities, people. Priorities. So we mixed up some swag brew. If you don't know what that is, similar to Strip and Go Naked or Summer Brew. I don't know what you people call it. There's a mix. It's very easy and very powerful.
What's on it again?
It's got a can of limeade, frozen limeade. Then once you pour the limeade in, you pour in a can of vodka.
A can of vodka? Oh, a
Yeah,
can
you
of
pour
vodka.
it in the can.
Okay, yeah.
And then into the glass. And then 3 beers. And you know, us in Nebraska, we use bush lattes.
That's gonna put some hair on your chest.
It's pretty strong, but we're gonna drink it anyway. Be careful. We do not take responsibility for anything that happens when you drink swag brew.
Yeah, and it goes down pretty easily, so
Yeah,
be
be careful. As I tell my friends and fiance sometimes, you make your own decisions. So
Cheers.
cheers to that. You gotta let me know what you think. I feel like it's pretty strong.
It's gonna be the great start of a Memorial Day weekend with this.
Yeah. Some people forgot it was Memorial Day. Memorial Day is on Monday, people.
Mm-hmm.
It is this weekend. So you get a 3-day weekend. Whoop, whoop.
Woo!
We're excited. Okay, so anyway, I have to tell you the story before we show you the video of what happened this week. We were on a supplier Zoom call. I had opened the door, propped it open because it was a nice day.
Beautiful.
I like to do that. Plus somebody was delivering our ping pong table. They had borrowed it from us. Left the door open during the Zoom call, and all of a sudden, I hear something. It was a bird in our studio. I hate birds so much. I'd rather have a snake or a mouse close to me than a bird. You just never know what they're thinking.
They fly everywhere.
And their beaks are scary.
They're squawking.
People give me a hard time for not liking birds, but I've hated them for a long time. And geese on the golf course?
And I get it now. I get it.
They're scary, people. Watch out for the birds.
Especially blackbirds.
So anyway, bird comes in. I jump on the Zoom call and I say, sorry guys, be right back because I was the only one here. I turn, I go to look, can't find the bird. Thought he flew back out. So I shut the door. Get off the Zoom call, start hearing something over in the corner. The bird was back. I'm not going to get rid of this bird, mind you, because I hate them so much. So I call Jackie. I tell her she
Good thing I am just a few minutes from the studio because I came down and
You just zoomed right down here.
Just zoom right down here.
I made her come here. I stood outside and waited for her. And then she got here and we couldn't find the bird for a little while. And then we found him. And you're going to see what happens. Check it out.
Tweet, tweet.
I do not even want to be close to this thing. Where did it go?
Tweet, tweet.
Oh, you're going to tweet at it?
Yes.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, it piddled.
Ew.
And it's a bird, not a bat, right?
Yes, it's a bird. It was flying around in here. You don't see it back there?
No.
Where the hell did it go? Ew, did it poop on that?
Did I just touch it?
Oh, gross.
Wait, did you hear something?
Well, this is what happened earlier. It was quiet for a while and then it got
Poop
loud.
on my finger.
Oh, is it up there? It's up there.
Oh.
Oh, God.
Oh my god. Wait, that's a stuffed animal.
Oh, it is? Are you sure? Oh, thank God. I thought it got up there and was sitting there because it was hurt.
Maybe it is up there, Cola. We have to find the bird first. Help me find the bird.
I don't want to be over here. My heart is racing.
Oh god, see, that squirrel scared me. There's too many furry things in here.
We are getting rid of all the stuffed animals. Oh, maybe it's gone. How did I not see it fly out, though?
What? Yeah, were you on the phone with your mom?
Yeah, I was just right out here.
Check it!
Oh, God! Oh, God!
Okay.
Oh, it's a nasty blackbird, too. I need a weapon.
Yeah.
Why are you the only one with a weapon?
Yeah.
Oh,
Come on, don't be stupid. Don't go. Go. Are
Oh!
you stupid? There's a door. Here, land on my. Here.
Oh, it's gonna land on the broom.
And he has a nasty beak. His beak is so
I told
nasty.
you, and everyone thinks I'm so stupid for hating
Here.
birds.
Come here.
Oh, oh God.
Oh god.
Oh, God.
Oh god. Oh god. We're gonna have to throw away this broom. Just relax. Be awesome. Oh god.
Oh my
Oh
God.
god. What the fuck? Oh, this is mine. You don't. I'm gonna need your help.
I can't. I am already way too close for my comfort level. This is why birds are
I
evil.
need you out of here. We're just gonna kill you. You want to be killed?
You're right. You would never kill a bird.
I might kill this bird. Okay, we're gonna try and get it back out.
To which way? Into the middle? I just want to
You
hide.
can't get out that way. You have to call Brett.
I told you to bring Brett.
I didn't think we needed him.
Oh my God. I love how you keep thinking it's just gonna get on your broom and you're gonna like easily lift it out.
Right?
What are you gonna flop it over your head?
I thought about it. I thought. Okay, well that didn't work. He's too good today.
Colby thought we should turn the lights off. I was
Okay.
like, how's that gonna help? That's just gonna scare me more.
No.
Oh, birds are so stupid. The door's over here, dude.
I have an idea.
What are you gonna do? Go outside? Ah! Oh, God! He moved! He moved!
Did it work? Where is he?
No, he moved somewhere else.
Oh.
Oh,
perfect.
now he's on top of the pneumo
Oh,
stuff.
perfect. Oh, great. There you go.
He's on top of it.
Go this
There,
way.
swipe him to the left.
Go this
Swipe
way.
him to the left.
Go this way.
Oh, God, he's squawking at you.
I'm trying to get you out of here. Fine. What would you like? Don't go this way. You can't go this way.
Oh, my
You can't go
God.
this way. You can't go this way.
Oh, just go out,
Why?
babe. Where is he?
Okay. I'm cornered. Perfect.
Oh, there. No, keep going, bird. You. Yes! Finally! Shut that freaking. Shut the door.
I am the bird champion.
Okay, so there you have it. Do you guys all hate birds as much as I do now? Because you should. They're awful.
Yeah, and they crapped all over a bunch of our. It did. Bunch of poop everywhere.
But thanks. I'm so thankful for my bird savior. The
Anything I
bird
can do.
champion, as she said in the video. So there you have it. We couldn't focus on really anything the rest of this week because I was so distracted by the bird. FYI, we will not have our door open ever again,
Sorry.
which I'm very sad about because I do enjoy that part of it.
I
Anyway.
can't stop drinking this. This is so addictive. So good. So good. I'm ready for Memorial Day weekend. I
All
hope
right,
you guys are too.
well, let's do it. It's time to close out of here. We guys have a safe and wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.